How exactly do you choose the right drone to buy? You wouldn't want to waste your money on a drone that will not be worth it. So if you're concerned about not wasting your money on a bad drone, then you are in luck. Because in today's video, we will talk about the 5 coolest drones in 2022 that will blow your mind. If you do not have enough money and are a beginner at flying drones, we have a drone on this list that starts at $99 and is suitable for a novice. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Ryze Tello. The DJI Ryze Tello, which starts at $99, is the ideal drone for individuals who are new to flying drones. It can be considered one of the best budget drones in 2022. It's compact and easy to handle, and the addition of propeller guards and onboard sensors reduces the likelihood of accidents damaging the drone or property, making flying even more pleasant. The DJI Ryze Tello is a tiny drone with a 5-megapixel onboard camera and 720p HD video streaming capability. It's a small, low-cost quadcopter that's suitable for beginners. It's simple to set up. Simply download the app, turn it on, and you're ready to fly. In addition, the integrated 720p camera allows you to see the world through the eyes of your drone and shoots photos and videos while flying. The estimated flight time is 13 minutes. The mobility of this drone is its best feature. Its small, compact, and lightweight design may be able to slip inside your coat pocket. Tello is much simpler to travel with now that you don't have to bring a separate controller. It's perfect for bringing on vacation and improving your flying skills everywhere you go. Moreover, if you're a newbie drone pilot on a limited budget, or simply like flying drones and want something to practice with that won't cause you to crash, then the Tello is a smart investment. However, if you have any expertise, this product might not be for you. Instead, the DJI Mini 2 is a valuable option. If you're searching for a drone that's ideal for photography and filmmaking, has a 4K camera, and is significantly more competent in terms of distance/flight duration while being affordable, stay tuned for additional information on the DJI Mini 2. Before we continue, kindly give this video a like to motivate us to come up with awesome content for you. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. Whether you're a novice or a skilled pilot, the DJI Fly app can help you achieve spectacular results. This model can be flown and land from the center of your palm with caution. The most important thing to remember is that the Mini 2 is tiny enough to travel and fly almost any place. It retains exceptional stability even in strong winds. How light is the DJI Mini 2? According to the DJI website, at less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, Mini 2 is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, giving you well over an hour of total flight time, which is a great motivation to buy it. The controller is simple to use and has extra function buttons for rapid response. A supplementary feature is an on-screen instruction. The DJI Mini 2 lacks forward and backward obstacle avoidance sensors. However, there is a DJI drone that has forward sensors. Is it any good though? Keep watching and we will tell you. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. According to DJI, the new Mavic 3 has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes and a range of 30 kilometers, and is one of the latest drones in 2022. In actuality, this is never the case. Why are we making this claim? We don't believe DJI when they state the maximum flight time is 46 minutes. We consider the outside temperature as well as other factors. To explain, the advertised flying duration is rarely achieved because wind, ambient temperature, and the minimum battery charge must all be considered. Let's face it, with a low battery charge, your drone won't be able to meet the expected minutes. It can't do anything if the wind keeps interfering, unless of course it's a magical drone. The battery is not plugged into the top of a Mavic 3 fuselage, but rather into the back. Using a standard household wall socket, a single battery takes around 60 minutes to charge. The cost of additional M3 batteries is $209. Excellent video quality. Shooting video with the Mavic 3's main 4 to 3 inch camera is a lot of fun. It can capture up to 5K at 50 frames per second. The main camera produces outstanding still and video images. Forwarding detectors on the DJI Mavic 3 can't detect everything, so don't expect them to. For instance, thin objects like cables, electric lines, and narrow twigs are difficult to detect with forwarding detectors. They also have trouble detecting transparent objects like window panels. However, there is one drone on this list that can detect obstacles while flying. Interested in learning more? Then I recommend that you keep watching as it is number 1. We saved the best for last. So the first 3 drones are all DJI drones. Perhaps you may be wondering if DJI brands are the only best in town. Well, yes, they are one of the best. However, other brands like the Autel Evo Lite Plus deserve your attention, and we will tell you more about this drone, so stay tuned. Before that, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our content. Now back to the video. Number 2. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Even if the company isn't as well known as DJI, the Evo Lite Plus deserves your attention. Orange, white, and gray are the 3 colors available for the drone. The controller has a typical 2 joystick setup for controlling the plane, as well as a gimbal pitch dial on the top left for adjusting the camera's angle. Although the joysticks are detachable, there is no place on the console to keep them for preservation. The power button, a fly to home button, a pause button, 1 programmable function button, and the shutter button for taking photographs and recording video are among the other controls. Setting up the drone for flight and connecting it to the Autel Sky app is simple. Even in severe conditions, the drone remains steady and maintains its calm while in the air. The Evo Lite Plus can record at 30 frames per second at 6K resolution, 60 frames per second at 4K, and 120 frames per second at 1080p. Number 1. The Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 offers a unique approach to flying. For full-time, all-around obstacle avoidance, 6 on-body cameras are used. The method also eliminates the possibility of the drone colliding. Despite bare tree branches and weak wires that might fool it, it does restrict where and when it can be flown. The downside of the Skydio is it requires enough brightness to fly. Due to this, you won't be able to use it for photographs after nightfall or before morning. If you try to fly in too poor light, the drone will not take off. And if the light goes out while flying, the drone will land. You can, however, focus on your work like chores instead of worrying about your drone crashing with the Skydio. With the app alone, you can track subjects. With a single S2 battery, Skydio claims you can fly for up to 23 minutes. That is all we have for you today. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the best drones in 2022. You can check out our other video on the 5 coolest translator earbuds inventions you must have.